left from Girnar and we were on our way to Somnath. So we have reached Somnath now. रास्ते बहुत खराब हैं. It is so खराब, पूरे खड्डे खड्डे लगते हैं. But finally हम लोग पहुंच गए. We left at around 6:45 and 8:15 पे हम लोग पहुंच गए सोमनाथ टेम्पल. So we entered Somnath temple area. So I'll just show you all the roads. So गाड़ी का पार्किंग इज 50 रुपीज़ फॉर 12 आवर्स. तो काफ़ी सस्ता है पार्किंग, कोई महंगा वगैरह नहीं है. So we'll just park and yeah, let's move to the temple now. And the parking is also quite spacious, huh? The roads here, the roads here are very nice. Like they've made it proper. Okay, I'll show you all how this is. ज्योतिर्लिंग्स इन इंडिया और सोमनाथ उसमें से फर्स्ट है. सो सोमनाथ टेम्पल इज शिव भगवान्स टेम्पल एंड नाउ हाउ इट इज़, यू नो, कैमराज आर नॉट अलाउड. कैमराज, मोबाइल फोन्स, एनीथिंग बियॉन्ड सम like only the wallets are allowed. Cameras are not allowed, mobile phones and all these electronic items are not allowed. So first we kept everything, like this bag is also not allowed, only wallets, small size. So you get a like if you want to get a carry bag or a bag from home, you can do that, or you get ones at 10 rupees. So you can buy the cloth wala, wo better hai, you know, no plastic. So you can just put everything in that and then you can give it to them and they will keep it. They give you a key and you can deposit everything. They give you a key, then you can go. The lines for men is different, for women is different. Sorry, somebody passed by. So yeah, the line for women are different, from men are different. Even when you wash it, there are different lines. But then you get out and then you know you can come out. You get out from both different sides. So the other side there are benches which are kept. और उसके सीधा सामने beach है. So you can see the beach from there. You can sit on the benches and then you can see the beach. We also spotted 2 dolphins on the beach. So we were sitting there. Again, weather बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ठंडा है अंदर. 1 minute. So weather बहुत अच्छा है. Like this is January, so it's like very cold, very cold inside. Like we came early morning, so it's very cold. बिल्कुल भीड़ नहीं थी सुबह, बिल्कुल भीड़ नहीं थी. In fact now अभी भीड़ हो रही है, which is 10 o'clock. So I would suggest if you all want to come, सुबह आ जाना जल्दी क्योंकि भीड़ नहीं है. And second, photographers वहाँ पे photos लेते हैं. So if you want to get a photograph click, you can do that. मेरा मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ थोड़ी देर में. And that is 100 rupees. So after that, when you come out, after sitting on the bench, you can sit for some time, and when you come out, there's a gallery. तो 12 ज्योतिर्लिंग्स का, each ज्योतिर्लिंग का क्या स्टोरी है और पिक्चर उनका एक गैलरी है. तो आप सब पढ़ सकते हो, वॉट एवर द स्टोरी इज बिहाइंड, लाइक द मिथोलॉजिकल significance behind each and every Jyotirling. So basically Jyotirling means knowledge and divinity and and this was something even before man-made. So वो सब कुछ mention करते हैं, like in each and every gallery. Besides that, stories are mentioned. तो 12 Jyotirling के 12 stories है. So yeah, फिर now about the temple. The temple is so beautiful. Like it's, you know, first there is a garden. There's like big garden. After the garden, the temple starts. So temple is again like you know how this temple designs are. तो each and everything पे temple designs है. तो येलो कलर से वो है all the design. और उसके बाद आप अंदर जाते हो, then again pillars आते हैं, बीच में सीमेंट का पिलर, and then you come, you see the ज्योतिर्लिंग. और जो ज्योतिर्लिंग का ये है, I'm not sure if it is gold, but it looks like gold metal. I'm not sure if it's like original gold, but it looks like gold metal. So you can just pray. You can take offerings also, flowers, and जो भी लेके जाना है वो सब आप लेके जा सकते हो. You can give it there, and then you can move. So yeah, that is it. Yeah, while coming back, प्रसाद का भी सेंटर है, तो अगर आपको प्रसाद लेना है तो you can take the प्रसाद and then come back also. So yeah, that is Somnath for you in 2 or 3 minutes, and that's Somnath for you through my eyes. So now we are thinking of going and having something. So चलते हैं यहाँ से, पहले देखते खाना खा लेते हैं. So guys, we've just come here to have some breakfast. So on the way, like when you come out of the temple, बहुत सारे shops हैं जहाँ पे ना breakfast सर्व करते हैं. Actually हम लोगों ने एक पीछे देखा था, वो ज़्यादा पसंद आया था, but then we went to an ATM and by the time we came back, it was crowded. So we sat all of them looked the same. So we sat at one of the restaurants, and yeah, we've ordered paneer pyaz paratha and chai. So the normal thing. You have many things here, you know, many options in terms of food. So there's South Indian, if you want bread butter, that is also there. Then Gujarati bhi hai, paneer paratha, Punjabi bhi hai. So you can order whatever you want. I like to eat puri bhaji and all, but then you know I have to travel. Now we are going to Gir, so I don't want to eat this. You know, having something oily, and plus ये रास्ते भी बहुत dangerous है. So I just don't want to, you know, go on that road. So yeah. So जो अभी आपको मैंने फुटेज दिखाया वो त्रिवेणी संगम का फुटेज था, संगम घाट का. So usually people come here to do Pindadhan and all. So it's nice along the coast. Yeah, so it's a nice place, like water on one side, and then they've built few tent kinds of things on the other side. So it's quite nice, quite peaceful. Lot of birds. I even shot a hyperlapse that I showed you. So there's a boat ride as well. So we were planning on taking a boat ride, but उतने लोग होने चाहिए, like we were only 2 people. तो बोले कि नहीं, 30 rupees per person होता है ऐसे, but at least minimum 10 people चाहिए बोट जाने के लिए. तो थे नहीं, तो हम लोग बोट राइड पे बैठे नहीं, क्योंकि एक तो इतनी गर्मी है, ज़्यादा बैठा नहीं जा रहा. तो अभी बोला ओके लेट्स जस्ट मूव. तो अभी यहाँ से निकल के भी there's a cave that they mentioned where you can go and see the caves. तो caves की वहाँ पे चले जाएंगे अभी थोड़ी देर में. नारियल पानी ब्रेक, गर्मी बहुत है. एक ही मिनट है, I'll just get ओके. सो अभी हम लोग अंडर वाटर ज्योतिर्लिंग देखने आए. तो हम लोग पहले वहाँ चले गए थे, उस साइड चले गए थे जहाँ पे मंदिर था महादेव का. तो फिर हम लोगों ने पूछा एक गली के अंदर से, मेन रोड से. तो उन्होंने कहा कि यू टू टेक द नेक्स्ट राइड. सो वी हैड अ कार, सो वी केम लाइक दैट. इन केस you all have not got your vehicle, then you can come buy an auto rickshaw. You can hire an auto rickshaw and then you can come. अब जो ये सब है ना, जो पहले जो मैंने दिखाया था गुफा और दूसरा सब आसपास ही है, मंदिर के आसपास ही है. तो अगर आप नए हो and if you all are not getting your vehicle, and if you all are the kind of people who will walk at least 1 kilometer or 2 kilometers, तो फिर आपको ऑटो हायर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वॉकिंग डिस्टेंस ही है. Like people who walk, the ones who don't walk, yeah, you'll have to hire an auto rickshaw. Ones who don't walk, as in I mean the ones, you know, people who don't prefer walking, that's what I meant. So they can hire an auto and then they can move around. और अगर आपने ऑटो हायर कर लिए तो ask them to show you गुफा, then the मंदिर there. उसके बाद उनको बोलना मुझे अंडर वाटर ज्योतिर्लिंग भी देखना है, तो वही ऑटो रिक्शा ड्राइवर को यहीं पे लेके आ जाना. इट्स अराउंड सोमनाथ टेम्पल ओनली. तो हम लोग आ गए. पहले तो एक बीच है, तो जो आते हैं ना हम लोग, द गली इज़ अ नैरो लेना एंड देन स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन सी. तो फिर या दिस इज़ द बीच. आई विल शो यू ऑल द बीच.
हाँ मंदिर देखिए